Good morning, Dragon's Edge! It's
Mina, hello everyone and welcome back to my first and new show, The Evolution of the Dragon Rider.
I like the sound of that.
Thanks a lot, Ragnar. Today we are talking about the main character of How to Train Your Dragon. Astrid, could you give him a sign, please?
He has a Night Fury. He can fly with a suit made of yak hides. He has a sword that ignites on command, and he's going to be the next chief of Burke.
I'm sure you all find it. It is...
Toughnut Laverne Thorsten.
No.
Hiccup Haddock the Third.
Thanks a lot, Johan. Anyway, so what are the things that we never thought that Hiccup was able to do it? So, let's do this. Before we start the show, you have to know that I didn't classify the scenes according to the season. Enjoy! The first thing we have noticed that Hiccup become better and more handsome. Seriously, better than this one. Who knew that Hiccup can vanish like this? No, seriously, that's reminding me so. Look at him, like father, like son. Okay, let's move to the other one. Right near the edge, we have noticed how Hiccup was creative, and the first invention is his flying suit. Okay, and we never saw Hiccup before drying like in the sea. Poor Hiccup.
Oh no, Hiccup!
Look at
Please
him.
breathe. Please breathe.
Okay, let's move to the other one. We have noticed that many people have loved this moment that show how Hiccup and Toothless have a strong friendship. I want to cry.
I wouldn't leave you either.
Okay, to the other one. Who knew that Hiccup was funny? And not just making luckies, and telling jokes too. The only problem, his jokes are not amusing at all. And this one, look at him. Who knew Hiccup would love to having fun like this with his friends? That's so beautiful. Okay, to the other one. I never saw Hiccup being kidnapping before. This is interesting, actually. Oh, how I love this moment. Who knew that the skinny one-legged man can sing like this?
There was a time not long ago when wars we bravely fought against a foe we feared before a lesson we were taught. That night of fury one did dare to set aside his dread and place his hand upon a winged villain's gentle head. Now time has passed and what was once our cursed enemy now carries us to battle against our threat across the sea.
Okay, let's go to the other one. We have heard Hiccup screaming before How to Train Your Dragon 2, but never in Race to the Edge. Look at him. Okay, calm down now. I have to admit, this black is Hiccup's color. So beautiful, actually. I love this moment. Birth and Belch have exploded Hiccup house. Look at Hiccup's face, so funny. Okay, let's move to the other one. Okay, I'm not going to talk a lot in this scene because it's so amusing. I will let you watch.
Watching these two reminds me of gazing upon the giant water buffalo as they graze against the tender auspices of the wheat fields of yesteryear.
Call it a draw?
Not on your life. I got you right where I... What? Okay.
End of the battle. Okay, next.
You see that? The future
Whoa,
chief is a coward.
even this moment
Come on, hit me.
is,
You want to?
well, old.
Fine.
I can watch
Remember,
this all
you
day.
wanted this.
Poor Snowlot, I can't even imagine the pain he has felt in this moment.
That was incredible.
Who knew that scrawny little one-legged
Seriously,
Viking
I have to agree with the twins. Okay, now let's see the special scene of Hiccup and Astrid. Now seriously, I'm not going to talk.
Just rest. We're gonna beat this. I promise you, Astrid. You just have to keep fighting and hold on. You need to stay with us. I can't imagine a world without you in it. No matter what. Okay, whatever that means, whatever you want it to mean, I am with you. There will always be a Hiccup and Astrid. Always.
Do you hear that? I don't.
No, you need to stand right here and take this in. This was my father's betrothal gift to my mother. And he gave it to me to give to you. Astrid, you're a part of our family. You always have been, and I hope you always will be. Astrid, you got me the greatest gift in the world. You. You just being here with me is the only gift I need. I've been taking you for granted. I have, and I realize that today. I couldn't have done any of this without you, Astrid. Not the Dragon Riders or the Edge. You've always been there for me, and I want to always be there for you. I love you, Astrid Hofferson, with everything I have, and I always will.
I know you do. We don't have to be like them. I mean, we have a different kind of...
So that's all for today. I hope you enjoy this show. Don't tell me in the comments. What is this music? I haven't finished yet, Nina. When I finish talking, then you start the music. Sorry. Whatever. So tell me in the comments what do you think about the show, and if you have other suggestions. So that's all for today. See you next time, Dragon Riders.